Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Favor, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I redo/retouch my 1-month-old knotless braids. I hope you guys learn a thing or two from this. And yeah, before we start this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video because you are absolutely gonna love it, and also make sure you click the bell button so you're notified every single time that I post a video. Alright guys, the first thing that I'm going to be doing is sectioning out the front, sides, and the back row of my braids, and then I'm going to be putting the rest in the bun and cutting the section part with a pair of scissors. After this, I'm going to be taking my braids out one at a time. I am particularly taking them out one at a time because I wanted to show you guys the importance of doing this. So when you do this, you don't have to worry about sectioning your hair yourself. So if you're a new braider, or if you're someone who just have had their hair in for, let's say, a month or 5 weeks and wants to really rebraid some part of it but is worried about sectioning it themselves, you can easily just take it out one at a time and then just braid. For non-beginners, I will suggest that you take out the entire row, or you can take 2 braids out at a time just like I did. This is important because it will allow you to resection or repart your hair to your desire while rebraiding it. Yeah, this is lit. It's an added bonus, like why not? Alright guys, now that I'm done explaining the importance of taking your braids out one at a time or an entire row at a time, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I prep my hair before I braid it. Of course, I'm gonna section out my hair to my desire. I'm gonna put some edge control around it and comb it out. Sometimes I do comb my hair and then put the edge control around it. Sometimes I put the edge control around it and then I comb my hair. I'm going to be using the same hair as I did in the last video, which is the Ghana Expression braiding hair. I don't know why I particularly go for this brand. Maybe because it's pretty stretched. Also maybe because I'm from Nigeria, and growing up, we all just know that expression hair are good hair. It's just, I don't know. Just know that expression, any braiding hair that has expression on it, they're normally good most times. I don't know. Unless it's made. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start braiding just like I always do. But yeah, I try to show you guys 2 techniques. One, which is this, where I started off braiding by not making my 3 braiding sections visible, and the next one I'm pretty sure I made it visible, so keep an eye out for that. Also, if you haven't checked out my previous braiding video on how to do knotless braid, I suggest that you do that, as I went into details in that video.
game. It's a rich thing.
Alright guys, so I last minute decided to redo the midsection of my hair as well. One of the reasons why I decided to do this is because lately I've been wearing my hair in the lower midsection bun, and I've been loving it, and why not? It only makes sense to do this. So if you wear your hair down a lot, or if you do a lot of hairstyles that expose your mid hair, then I would suggest that you rebraid those as well. Next, I'll be curling my ends using my flexi rods. This is a very easy process. I went over it in my first braiding video, which will be in the description box down below, so please make sure you check that out. Alright guys, that pretty much completes this video. I hope you all learned a thing or two from it. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, most especially if you've learned something from this video. Show some support by leaving a comment or two down in the show support by dropping a comment or two down in the comment section. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Once again, I am so grateful. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you were not disappointed. Thank you and ciao.